up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some country-style ribs, and you're saying to yourself, Black Hour, country-style ribs again, man? Yeah, you know, I use them for a lot of stuff. I've been showing you how to make a lot of things with them, but I don't ever think I've shown you how to make just straight-up old barbecue ribs, and today, I'm going to be using the oven, well, the roaster, but you'll see. So, let's go ahead and get into it. First thing you got to do, go ahead and get some country-style ribs, baby, and you know I had some on hand because it's cheap and it's good. So, let's go ahead and get our country style. And the thing about it is, I would usually have a little bit of that dry rub, that famous Dave's, but I ran out, man. I used all my supply. I got high on my own supply and I used it all. So, I didn't want to go to the store because, you know me, I ain't got time for this shit. So, I went ahead and just put some salt and a little soul food seasoning, like the Soul Train baby, getting down in there. So, just a little bit of that. I put it in my turkey roaster. You gonna put it in your oven. And that's the thing about this. You're gonna do it low and slow like you was outside on the barbecue, baby. That's right. You're gonna do it right and tight. So, when you do it on the barbecue or the smoker, low and slow is the way to go with ribs. And it's the same deal in the oven. So, turn that oven down to about, I'd say 300 degrees. And you're gonna let them cook for 2 hours. You're saying, like, oh, that's a hell of a lot of time. Well, go roll a doobie and watch the Golden Girls. You'll be just fine. I am. So, we're going to go ahead and get these ribs. You want to let them cook for about an hour. And then, you're going to see this kind of little fat in the pan or whatever you're using. So, drain that fat off. Wish I could drain some of this fat off, but it don't look like that's going to happen. So, we're going to go ahead and drain some of that. And now, got to have some sauce, baby, on the ribs because the sauce is the boss. And today, that sauce is the Sweet Baby Ray's, as always. So, I'm going to lather it down like that and let it cook just a little longer, like about an hour more. So go ahead and let them cook. When it's done, gonna be good, gonna be fun, gonna be delicious. We're going to the country style ribs, country style like Sandy was when she was on SpongeBob. So let's have a country style sight and a country style bite of these country style ribs tonight, Big Daddy. Alright, baby, the time has come. The country style rib is done, and I'm having that first bite for me. Barbecue ribs, baby, right up my alley, boy. Love it. So, it smells so good. Gonna have a smooch. My goodness, man. That rib. Oh. It's good. It's very, very tender because we cooked it low and slow. I'm putting that sauce on and letting it finish. Caramelized, man. I mean, it tastes just like outside of the cube. A delicious rib with no fuss and good for us. So, I want to thank all of us, and including me, for stopping by and watching another episode. I'm thanking you. I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. So, if you'll excuse me, I might eat this whole plate while nobody's looking. So, we'll see you later. Stop looking.